Today I want to show you the garden swing which I've made recently. I couldn't find such things in the shops, especially strong, durable and not so fancy, just with few decors, so I decided to make one. First, I'm making the legs, the sides of the swing. Cutting is easy, so nothing much to talk about. Maybe that you have to be very careful working with angle grinder. If you put too much pressure or work with wrong angle, the cutting disc could break and hurt you really badly. This is the reason I'm working with a mask, to protect my face and eyes. And yes, I'm a little bit hypocritical because I'm working dressed with shorts, which is also not recommended. But it was hot day. Anyway, back to the construction. I'm not just welding the sides, but I'm making the decors on top of them. As I said, nothing fancy, just something to make it more interesting for the eye. As you see, me, like probably majority of you, I don't have a big workshop to make the swinger, so I'm making it outside. In such case, working on not flat ground, it is really important to measure all perfectly and to level everything before welding. Elements for the sides are now prepared, so I'm getting to the welding. I've bought the welder not so long ago, but I'm amazed of this tool. It's really fun to work with the welder and it gives a lot of joy, at least for me. It is really cool to see some metal scraps turning into something after welding. The top of the swinger is like the long H letter. After welding it, I'm connecting it with the legs, first using the carpentry clamps, and then after leveling, I'm welding the whole construction. Now I'm adding some decors. These are elements which I found on internet and they are used for the balconies. But as you can see, they also work pretty well as the decorations. The last part of the project is a bench. I decided to make it also from metal to make it more durable than wooden one and to fit it to the rest of the construction. I've bought the frame, the sides of the bench, which was intended to use with the wooden boards, but I removed the wood and welded the flat metal slats. And now the great moment, testing the whole construction. And it works! After grinding the welding places, I painted the whole swinger with white paint. I'm not recommend to use a brush for that job. The paint roller works much better, gives really flat surface. And that's all. As you can see, the swinger in the garden fits perfectly. It has some decors, but nothing shoddy or too fancy. I like the final result. So now I'm going to swing and you maybe will watch my other videos. Bye!